Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a juicy, spicy whole roasted chicken. So if you want to find out how I make this juicy and flavored roasted chicken, continue watching. Whole roasted chicken. I'll be blending the marinade sauce that I'll be using. So I have onion, garlic, ginger, chili pepper and scotch bonnet. I'll add them into the blender, add stock cube, salt, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, thyme, I'll be adding some oil. I will cover the blender and blend into a smooth puree. When I'm done blending, I'll pour the blended mixture into a bowl. The chicken is already washed. I use lemon to wash it to add flavor. So with a kitchen towel, I will pat it dry. This will help the greasing process. Chicken I will set aside. I'll be adding salt into the oil. I'll be making some cuts on the chicken so that I can stock in the marinade sauce in there. Put an oil on the chicken. This will help to retain the moisture and also build flavors. I'll make sure that the salt and oil touches all the parts of the chicken. I'm done rubbing the oil and salt. I will rub the soya spice. This will add flavor to this chicken. I'll be rubbing the blended pepper mixture on the chicken. Then I will stuff in some of the blended mixture on the cut that I made on the chicken. I'll make sure that the mixture touches every part of the chicken. When I'm done rubbing all the blended mixture on the chicken, I will cover it and put in the fridge to marinate for about 2 hours. Later, I'll be preparing the vegetables that I'll be using. I have spring onions that I will cut, carrots, potato, and some minced bell peppers. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. When I'm done cutting the potatoes, I'll add it into a bowl. I have the cut carrot and spring onion there. Then I will season it with the blended mixture and some oil. Mix together and leave it to rest for like 30 minutes. Over onion and slice minced bell peppers. I'll add them and stir together. After about 2 hours of marinating the chicken, I'll add the vegetables. At this stage, I've already preheated my oven. When I'm done adding all the sliced vegetables, I'll put it into the oven. I forgot to tell you that I'm using the hard chicken. It's going to take longer to cook. Chicken into the oven and allow to grill. After about 45 minutes, I will bring out the chicken and flip it over to turn the other side. Put it back into the oven to continue roasting. After about 30 minutes, the chicken is already fully cooked or roasted. I'll bring it out from the oven. I will cut the chicken thighs to show you how well marinated and well seasoned the chicken was. The aroma was so good, and the chicken was so spicy, so juicy and well flavored. I hope you try this recipe, and thank you all for watching.